Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve the puzzle that is called Made in China. This puzzle was designed by Jean-Claude Constantin from Germany. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the objective of the puzzle is to fit all 4 pieces into the tray. At a first glance, it seems not a difficult task since there are only 4 parts, but then when you take a close look at the tray, you will find that it looks too small for these 4 pieces, since the parts are quite large, they are all unique, they have different shape, and every time when you will be trying to solve the puzzle, probably you will find a couple of pieces that can fit together pretty well, like this one or something like this piece, and then you can probably add another part right here. Which one was that? Like this one. But then you don't have enough space to fit the last pieces. I can try to put this part right in this corner, but then there is not enough space to fit it. But it's only third piece and I have one more piece left. So it is quite a challenge to find the correct orientation of all 4 pieces, even though there are only 4 pieces here. If you like how the Made in China puzzle looks, and the name of the puzzle is Made in China, it is not a typo. It really can drive you mad while solving it. So if you like how this puzzle looks and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. And if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. So I have to remove all 4 pieces first. And the next step will be to find a piece that I can fit right into this spot. And I think it will be this one. It fits very nice. Next, I have to find a part that fits into this spot very well. That's going to be this piece. As you can see, it goes very well inside here. And we have some space left, but it doesn't look like there is enough space to fit all parts. So we will start with this one. It fits here quite well. And we have only one piece left that we can probably fit somewhere here. And that is how the puzzle is solved. And especially the satisfying part is when you put the piece inside, you don't think that it will be enough space to fit it, since it looks like a square, but the space here isn't square. But when you put it and it just goes in, that is very satisfying. So that is the solution of Made in China puzzle. If you like how this puzzle looks, or you want to try some other amazing puzzles designed by Jean-Claude Constantin, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.